In a sunny little hamlet called Brightville, where the daisies danced in the breeze and the clouds looked like fluffy marshmallows, lived a bouncy girl named Ruby and her silly rabbit buddy, Flop. Ruby loved sunny days. She'd skip outside, squinting at the big, bright sun, and then, achoo! She'd sneeze. It happened every time. One golden morning, as she wiped her nose, she turned to Flop. "Why do some people sneeze when they look at the sun? Is it tickling my nose? Or saying hello?" Flop twitched his ears and hopped in a circle. "Thump, thump! Let's find out! It's a sunny, sneezy mystery!" With Flop bouncing beside her, Ruby dashed across Brightville to the cozy hut of Grandpa Glow, the jolliest old man around. Grandpa Glow had a beard like a cloud and a laugh that jingled like bells. He knew everything about sunshine. "Grandpa Glow," Ruby called, peeking through his window. "Why do I sneeze at the sun?" Grandpa Glow chuckled, stepping outside with a big stretch. "Well, Ruby and Flop, that's a bright question. Come sit on my porch. I'll tell you the sneezy tale." Ruby plopped onto a sunny step, and Flop flopped beside her, nibbling a carrot. Grandpa Glow's eyes twinkled as he began. "Once upon a time, people's noses were plain and quiet, no sneezes at all. But some folks like you, Ruby, got a special tickle trick. It's called the sun sneeze, and it's a funny little gift from your body. When you look at the sun, bam! Its bright light zaps your eyes, and they send a speedy message to your nose." Ruby giggled. "A message? Like mail?" Grandpa Glow nodded. "Sunny mail. It says, come. Whoa, too bright. Gee-nee. And your nose answers with a big achoo." Flop thumped his foot. "Thump! Why me no sneeze?" Grandpa Glow grinned. "Not everyone's got the trick, Flop. Only some people, like Ruby, have extra wiggly wires in their heads. The sun's light tickles their eyes, and those wires mix up with the sneeze wires, zap, zap, and out comes a sneeze." Ruby's eyes widened. "So I'm a sneeze superhero?" Grandpa Glow laughed. "A sunny one. Scientists call it the photic sneeze reflex. Fancy, huh? It's like your nose is dancing with the sun." Ruby sneezed again, achoo, and giggled. "Does it help me?" Grandpa Glow winked. "Maybe. Long ago, it might have helped people clear dust from their noses when they stepped into bright light, like a sunny cleanup crew. Now it's just a fun surprise. Some sneeze once, some twice. How many for you?" Ruby counted on her fingers. "2. Achoo, achoo." Flop hopped up, pretending to sneeze. "Thump, thump! Me try." Ruby laughed so hard, she nearly tumbled off the step. Grandpa Glow pointed at the sun. "See that big glow? It's so bright, it jiggles your brain a tiny bit. Your eyes say, eek, too much. And your nose says, let's sneeze it out. It's a team effort." Ruby squinted at the sun. Achoo! And clapped. "Team sneeze!" Flop wiggled his nose, hopping around. "Thump! Sunny team!" Grandpa Glow chuckled. "Only about 1 in 3 people have it. Makes you special, Ruby." Just then, a breeze carried dandelion fluff past, and Ruby sneezed again. Achoo! "Oops, that wasn't the sun," she giggled. Grandpa Glow handed her a hanky. "Sun or fluff, your nose loves a good sneeze. It's like a little hello from your body." Ruby twirled the hanky. "Hello, sun!" she cheered, squinting up. Achoo! Flop flopped onto his back, giggling in his rabbit way. "Thump, funny nose!" As the sun dipped low, turning Brightville orange, Ruby hugged Grandpa Glow. "So I sneeze because the sun tickles my wires?" Grandpa Glow nodded. "That's the sunny truth. You're a sneeze star." Ruby grinned. "I love my sunny sneezes." Flop thumped back. "Thump, me too." Back home, Ruby sat by her window watching the sunset. "Good night, sneezy sun," she whispered. Flop curled up beside her, dreaming of carrot sneezes. In Brightville, every achoo was a little sunbeam, and Ruby adored them all.